Hey guys, back with another video. In this video, I don't know what am I going to do. Let's see. So I'm gonna open my Chrome using my account, as you know. So we have some news on tech related things. So I'm gonna try to read something from there. So you have how to add your dev card to GitHub using GitHub Actions. So I don't have dev card, and I do have GitHub, but I don't have dev card, so I'm gonna skip that. Selfies, hero saves typing pool from carbon catastrophe. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that as well because that makes no sense to me. How to write better performing React functional components. This is kind of interesting. Let me open the new tab. No, I don't want to sign in right now. Learning to love your terminal. Learning to love your terminal. What do you mean by that? Get ready for a room plan. Room plan? What do you mean? Doing it all with demo. Okay, 5 best JavaScript web development frameworks. I have to watch that. So let me go there. So first we have React, the ultimate React. I know this should be on the first one. This should be on the top. So this is a JavaScript library, as you know. This is not a framework, it is a library. Then Angular, this is so hard. I have heard from people, but I don't know because I haven't used that yet. Then we have Node.js for backend. I like that. I like Node.js because I know a little bit of Node.js. Ember.js, is it Ember Heart? Ember.js, I don't know about Ember.js. Like Ember Heart. And Express.js. So this is the framework of Node. You can see Express.js is a free and open source application for Node.js that mostly used to make APIs and REST APIs. Express.js or Express is released under the MIT license. What is MIT license? I don't know. So you have some features of Express.js. You can see so many features. Conclusion. So these are the things that is first best JavaScript web development frameworks, and from those I have used React. Oh, come on. And I have used Node. I don't use that. And I have used Next Express.js as well. That's good. Move on to the next one. So Median is right now not support on my server right now. I don't know why. So I'm gonna skip that as well. Hit close and close. So we have done from top to this point. Now go on to the next. Tailwind UI templates. You know what? I love Tailwind so much. So I'm gonna open this because Tailwind is so powerful, so simple, so good. One upvote for Tailwind. Oh, I have to sign in to upvote, so I'm not gonna do that. Skip that for now. Lock. Tailwind UI templates is not so fancy. It's good. If you want to use ready-made Tailwind components, you can use that using this command. Which command? I'm gonna show you the command. I wanna show you that command. Get everything with all access. Okay. So I do not have money to buy anything. So I'm gonna show you the templates first. So in the template section we have transmit, salient, syntax, keynote, premiere. So these are the templates that they provide, I guess. Is it carousel? No. It is an static image of some components, some screens. Okay. So back onto the home page. I'm gonna click on the component section and documentation. Then do I have to do anything in here? Oh, See, these are the components that they provide. So we have hero section, and you can see some lazy loading in there, and feature section, CTA section, CTA call to action. CTA means call to action, that means button. Okay, then we have pricing cards. I like that. Then newsletter sections, states, testimonials, blog section. You can post, you can create blog sections using Tailwind CSS component. Contact section, team section. Team, we have 2-person team. So basically, on the tech dudes, we have 2-person, two hardworking, dedicated person working on this beautiful organization, I would say. Then on the bottom we have elements, which is header element, banners, and flyout menus. So what is flyout menus? So we can click on that and see. If you click on is it clickable? Maybe this is an image, static image, so you cannot click on that. So basically what it means, if you click on this, it will pop up and drop down of some linked components. So this is called flyout menus. I didn't know that before, but today I know that. From today I will know this is called flyout menus. Nice. And then I'll get back to the component section because so many things need to be done. Then this is the 404 page, which is quite simple. And page examples, so you have landing page, pricing pages, contact pages. Nice. Application UI. So this is the dashboard, stacked layout, sidebar layout, and multi-column layouts. Nice one. Then in the bottom, so there are so many things that I don't want to catch right now, so you can, if you want, you can see that on your own time. And then I'm gonna click on documentation because this is the let me show you something. These are support on HTML, React, and Vue. And basically, if anything support on React, you can use it on Next.js as well. So it's up to you. Then documentation. So to install this entire component library on your project, you have to use npm install tailwind css at the latest. So if you're using yarn, you can use yarn at this component name, this name, sorry, not component, and it will run. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.